Hello, good morning. It's day 2 here in Taipei, Taiwan, and we're gonna do a DIY Shifen, and Shifen waterfalls. So come and join us as we explore the north coast part of Taiwan. See ya!
So just a heads up, the Airbnb namin, total of 26,700 something yung cost niya, and that's for 7 people na. So, not bad. That's it. Dito kami ngayon sa isang station papunta sa Shifenlao. So, we'll just wait for 22 minutes para sa bus going to North Coast sa Shifen Waterfalls. And then after that, we're gonna go to Shifen Lantern. That's it. We missed the bus kasi twice kanina, so we need to find another route going there. And this time, ito yung nakuha namin. And then now, we just need to wait. And then, that's it. Bye! See ya later!
Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Shifen Waterfalls. And first things first, comfort room tayo. So, nandito ngayon tayo sa entrance ng Shifen Waterfalls, yung suspension bridge. There you go. Yeah. So, dadaan tayo dyan. Milk tea. Try mo na ice. Try mo na yung chicken.
Baka tulog po yan.
Apa?
Sarap? Yan na. Oo, di ba?
Pangilan na yan?
Patlo.
Pangatlo? Pangatlo pa lang ba? Hindi ba pang-apat?
Patlo lang. Isa dun sa, ma.
Ang sarap. Adyo! Ang bango. Ay, hindi. Tokwa to. Tokwa? Oo. Ang ganda ng bagte, oh.
Parang cinnamon.
Wow. Nougat. Oh, may ice cream. Misty ice cream. Misty. Haba ng pila. Ceramic ring siya. Mga pusa. Another try. Nougat. Sausage. Sarap ng peanut ice cream. Hindi na siya namigay.
Sakit na ng tiyan namin kakakain. Mga busog na partida, wala pang rice masyado. Then, we're planning tonight to eat in Ichiran. I'm not sure if that's still up later because we're so tired. But I think a couple of hours pa kasi before we really arrive sa area namin. And hopefully, we're able to rest by then. Busog ka nakaka-free taste.
Hindi pa. Walang pa eh.
Sarap. Go. Try it.
Hindi siya yung ano, hindi siya dumidikit sa ngipin.
Ba't di ka pa bumili?
Hindi pa.
Hindi kasi yung last namin, yung ate yung madikit sa ngipin.
Ano, matamis?
Pa-try.
Ako na yun ang
Sikat mo.
din ako. Ay! Nagmatusok yung bibig niya.
Kasi kinuha ko eh.
Ay, natusok nga ata eh.
Natusok ka? Saan ka natusok?
Hindi.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Huli sa camera.
Kasi na,
Uy, mangin ka kay mami ng wipes.
wala na pa.
Ano, alcohol.
Sorry yan.
Ano, how does it taste? Now we're back sa ating Airbnb. We really had a good day and a long day kanina. And now, we're planning to grab a dinner sa Ichiran. And time check, it's now 8:07. Yeah! So, pahinga muna konti. And then, we'll go out again later. Bye! Hi! We're out again. And, nandito tayo sa Ichiran. Kaso, 200 minutes time yung waiting. So, mag-try tayo at Ichiran at the back. Mag-try tayo dun sa second branch nila near Taipei 101. And, this is how the area looks like. Ganyan. Yan. Yan. Ito na kagad ang Taipei 101. And this is the Ichiran branch. This. Now, we're gonna walk papunta sa second branch nila. And let's see if mas less yung waiting time compared dito sa another branch. And then, if wala talaga, because of the long queue, let's try to find a good spot restaurant. And we'll share it to you later. Medyo pagod-pagod talaga this day. And I hope na makapagpahinga tang maaga dahil tomorrow ay another day. And
So,
gulay
guys,
tournament.
dala ko yung shota
Nabili yan sa Jifen for how much? 80
Taiwanese.
Taiwan dollars. So this is how it goes. Like this. And parang siyang stress ball.
Yes.
Okay.
Recommend ko siya sa mga tao may anxiety or stress. Para i-squish-squish.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, see you. Ichiran, Tokumbini Randel. Good morning! It's day 3 and we're going to Wulay. And hindi kasama muna ngayon ng ating baby boy. Kailangan niya ng much time recovery ngayon. And we'll be out in a bit because kailangan namin habulan yung Wulay bus. Then, we'll just grab
Ano to, Cheng? Ganito to yung sombrero mo to?
a breakfast around KFC within the Green Line stations para mas malapit. So, I'll see you in the bed. Here's the view. Our room. Actually, medyo hindi lang talaga pleasing yung itsura ng Airbnb namin. But nevertheless, maganda sa loob. This is the receiving, dining, and kitchen on the side. Ayan.
Bye-bye.
Later. Bye-bye. Morning! Currently walking towards the Green Line sa may Nanjing Station. Doon na kami mag-grab ng breakfast and we're going to Ulay! That's it. Tapos na kami kumain sa KFC. At hindi na kami nakapag-video because kami ay gutom na. And now we're heading to Nanjing. I know. We're heading to Nanjing Sanmin Station. This is the Green Line. Sumakay kami ng bus na 8:40. Sa gilid lang yun, pagkababa ko na exit. Exit. So, baba mo ng
May
exit.
mga bus.
May mga bus stop doon. Tapos,
Bandang right side.
bandang gilid. Meron ka makikitang blue na terminal. Tapos, tsempohan mo lang sa Google Maps yung timing kung 8:49. Then, 26 minutes bus ride going to Wulay Terminal or Wulay Tourism. That's it. So, we'll catch up later. Bye, everyone. We're here now at Wulay. We're going to Wulay, Old Street.
Where are we?
Over here. Annyeong! So we're here now at Wulay. Going to Wulay Log Cart. Yan. Ayan yung papunta. Then, we just came across this bridge. And going there is the Old Street. So, say hi!
Hi!
Okay. Di pa naman malamig na sobra. Kasi hindi pa sobrang hangin. Pero maulan. That's why meron kaming mga takip sa ulo.
tayo mag-log cart. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Wulay Falls. Ayan. So, lalakarin lang natin towards dun sa view deck niya. Kakatuwa mag-log cart. At saka maganda kasi marami ng like cherry blossom ng Taiwan. So, it's starting to bloom na. Come to Taiwan! Yee! So, we're going to Ichiran again. So, after ano yan? Shenzhen. After Shenzhen station, we transfer to Tamsui line. And then, here is the current situation. Bumami ng Shenzhen from Tamsui line. Then, lalakad kami couple of minutes to Ichiran. So, ramen day because inulan kami sa Wulay pero masarap kasi sobrang lamig. Yay! And yes, we're out from Xingshan Exit 1 station and we're now walking to Ichiran. Totoo na talaga to. Hopefully, the queue is not that long para makakain kami. And later tonight, we will gonna rest up a bit. Then we'll go to Xiangshan District. Now, we're walking na. And here they are, mas nilalamig kaysa sa may Wulay. Well, malamig naman talaga. It's just that yesterday, mas warm compared today. So, akala namin na-scam kami kahapon. And then ngayon, medyo legit yung lamig niya. Or because of the weather, kasi medyo mas gloomy siya compared yesterday na sunny. Well, see you in a bit. Goodbye. Alright, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Ichiran. After a couple of hours, I think around 2:30 kami kumuha ng ticket ng queue. Then, umuwi muna kami sa Airbnb. Then, you can check the queue number through the QR code na ibibigay from the queue. Then, pwede mong timingan kung pwede ka nang pumunta or pwede ka pang mag-ikot or mag-rest. So, I think that's a nice strategy here comparing sa experience from Japan. And now, we're lining up. Waiting now. Napag-freshen up kami in a bit because masyadong malamig ngayon yung hangin kasi maulan. And now, we're gonna eat a ramen. Excited. So let's go. Hi! So after lining up, they're so grumpy na kasi gutom na. We're almost there. Here's the first 3. And then, kami na yung next. This is how it looks like inside. Actually, they are in a payment first policy. So, sila yung serve tapos pinapipila once na and bawal yung reserve sa pila. So, you need to stay on the line also if you wanted to eat here. So, yeah. That's it. So, I think later tonight, we'll try to sleep early and maaga na naman kami tomorrow. So, magpa-park lang kami today, Rainbow Walk, Taipei 101, and then mag-rest up para makakapahinga na. Ciao! See you later!
So we're finally eating. Say
Okay?
kain na tayo. Tayo ay gutom na.
Order sa hati anak.
Sarap. Sarap.